In this lesson, we will discuss the second question of exercise number 3.2, and the question is integral of square root of x plus 1 over under root x and then dx. Right? So what I have told you, the first step is, so see, this is the square root, right? So it means that it is 1 over 2. Plus same thing, this is 1 over x 1 over 2 dx, x 1 over 2 same thing. If we will take this x exponent 1 over 2 in the numerator, the sign will change and it will be negative 1 over 2. Right, here we are going to start now. So what I have told you, in the first step we have to do the integration of these two terms individually. How we will do? See, this is called the integration or integral sign. Integral of 1 x raised to power 1 over 2 dx. Same thing for the next term, this one. Now, see, if we have any coefficient here, we will write down outside the integral in the next step. If we have any coefficient or any constant term, same thing, right? But here if we have one, so do not worry about that. We are just going to remove this integral sign. How we will remove? It is 1 over 2. The exponent of x is 1 over 2. We have to add 1. Same thing, 1 over 2, we have to add 1 in the denominator, plus x raised to power minus 1 over 2 plus 1, and then x, sorry, this is not x, right? It will be, I will remove this. Only, you do not have to write down the variable, only the exponent, 1 over 2 plus 1. And now we will write down c constant of integration. When we will remove the sign, right, remove the sign, then we will write down the constant of integration. So here see, it will be x raised to power 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2. Here is, we have the double reciprocal, but I will show you how to write down x 1 over 2, and it will be 1 over 2 plus c. So see, this is x raised to power 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2. It means you have to write down 2 over 3. This 3 over 2 will be 2 over 3, x raised to power 3 over 2. Same thing, it will be 2 over 1. So there is no need to write down 1, 2, and then x raised to power 1 over 2 plus c. This is your answer. What I did one more time, see, under root x, this, the value of this under root is 1 by 2. It means the exponent of x is 1 over 2. Same thing, this is 1 divided by x 1 over 2. In the next step, when I will take this x power 1 over 2 in the numerator, the sign will change. The sign of the exponent will change. It will be negative 1 over 2. Now we have two terms and we have to do the integration of these two terms individually. So this is called the integral sign. Integral 1 x raised to power 1 over 2 dx. Same thing for the other one. How we will remove this integral sign? You have to add exponent 1. Whatever exponent you have to add 1, and then you have to add with the power, and you have to write down the same thing in the denominator. Simplify it, you will get the answer. But if you want to see, whether you did right or wrong in your exam, this is not the part, right? This is not part of your exam. So you can take the derivative. If I will say f of x, this function, take the derivative. See, 2 over 3 is already there. So what will be the derivative of this? How we will take the derivative? The exponent will be the coefficient 3 over 2, x 3 over 2, and then you have to subtract 1. Same thing for this term, 2 we have there, then 1 over 2 x 1 over 2 minus 1. In case of derivative, we have to subtract the exponent. But in case of integration, we have to add the exponent, and the constant is 0. The derivative of constant term is 0. So this cancel out each other, this. If we will simplify, you will see, you will get x raised to power minus 1, and this is under root x plus 1 over under root x. So you can see the same, you have the same question, under root x plus 1 divided by under root x, and we get the same thing. So whatever is the answer of your integration, take the derivative, it should be equal to your question, right? So it means your question is right. But again, if anything is not clear, you can ask me, and thanks for watching.